Hey my scrappy friends, welcome to my channel today. I have something a little bit different for you. I'm going to quickly flip through these 6 layouts that I've got here. This is all part of the, I'm going to call it a scrapbooking kit with 6 layouts. There's step-by-step instructions and lots of fun stuff. So I'm going to give you a quick flip through of the layouts. I'm not going to go into very much detail. I have used Coco Vanilla Studio Daydream collection for pretty much everything. There's a couple of extra things I've added in, but once I've shown you these layouts, I'm going to show you what's in the kit. So if you're interested, you can shoot me an email or a message or something, and yeah, we can go from there. So I'm going to show you the layouts in the order that I created them and the way in the order that they're listed on the step-by-step instructions. And yeah, then I'll get into the kit. So this is layout 1, titled Sweet. It's a photo of the Cut To You design team from this current term that finishes in December. Second one is a wedding photo and Cut To You cut files, because I'll give Gwen a shout out whenever I can. Number 3 is, this is the one with the most mixed media. Again, there are step-by-steps, and fingers crossed, hopefully they are clear and concise, but if they're not, you can always message me or contact me in however you feel comfortable. You can see here I've got some stencil details, which is very, very exciting, and I'll show you that in a minute. But there's that one as well. Number 3, Happy Heart. Number 4, Love This Place. I was very impressed. I got these paper flowers on. Number 5, Little Moments. And again, I've got that stencil down the side here. And number 6, this one it's almost a bonus layout because I've used lots of the leftovers from the kit. So that's the 6 layouts that I've created using the kit. And this is the bag of goodies. So I'll pull it all out. So I'll start with the papers. There's one each of the pattern papers, and there's 9 of them. So this first one is All Aflutter. Sweet Serenity. Up in the Clouds. I don't think this is one paper from, I don't think it's one of each of the papers from the collection from memory. I think there's 1 or 2 missing, I'm not sure. Happy Place, just got your cut apart on the back. Daisy Days. Stepping Stones. Over the Rainbow. I love this wood grain. Zoe, if you're watching, I love this wood grain. It's beautiful. With that beautiful rainbow on the back. Sun Shower. I love the colourful raindrops. They're so cute. And Garden Variety. So that's got your florals on the back. What I've got here, this is the Autumn Leaf cut file by Cut To You that I have cut from dark brown. I think it's early espresso cardstock by Stampin' Up. It is textured, it is dark brown, not black. So you get that cut file with the frame here as well, which I've cut on my Cameo. And then there's 4 pieces of white cardstock, textured white cardstock. Go on to the Daydream embellishments. Now, because I wasn't really sure what I was doing when I ordered this collection to start with, I chose to create as many pages as I could using as much of a kit as I was able to, but it has meant that I've had to share some of the packages of embellishments and stuff. So I'll show you quickly. You get a whole sticker sheet. I love these stickers. I do have a few of these left on my sticker sheet, so you will have some leftovers from this kit. Not a ton, but you do have some leftovers. And you get a full ephemera pack as well. So I'll give you a squeeze at that there. And then I've shared the flare badges, and you can see I've just cut them straight down the middle. And the same with the puffy heart, so you get one of each colour, and your flare will be assorted left or right side essentially, and you get one of each of the puffy hearts. Half a pack of the sequins and flowers. These sequins are really cute, I love them. There's flowers in there, and there's these like holographic leaves and also the gold leaves. Love them. And then these paper flowers. And half a pack of the titles. Again, basically when I did these titles, I kind of pulled them out of the pack and went 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 until the pack was shared. All right, so I love these titles. They are so versatile, but just be aware if you are going to buy the kit that you may not be able to make exactly the same titles that I've used on my page, but it's about making it your page anyway. And then the last few bits and pieces, and I'm really excited about some of this. So we've got a couple of doilies, so the Cambridge style doilies, some tissue paper and some vellum. We have got another cut file here. This one is also from Cut To You. I don't have anything that I can pop that on so you can see it really clearly, but I have marked some pencil lines on here, and I do explain those in the step-by-steps, and you get the single butterfly as well, which I essentially just cut one off the cluster, and I've cut him separately. It was that big one there at the bottom. So you get that as well. And then this I'm really excited about. I was chatting to a friend. I had seen a stencil that is sort of similar on scrapbook.com, but I didn't want to spend $1 million on shipping from the US to Australia for one stencil. So I kind of decided that I was going to create my own. It's got the rainbows with the heart in the middle and then stars scattered all over. So this was inspired by the stencil that Shamel used on a video from scrapbook.com, but I've changed it up and made it more me, and it is included in the kit. It is cut on acetate, so it is not the same as stencil material. This is obviously straight from a kit. This is the stencil that I've used, and you can see the texture paste that I've used has left marks on there. It still works perfectly fine. I did the texture paste before I did the ink on the one with the strip down the middle with the florals. So, I mean, the stencil still works perfectly fine. You will find that when you're cleaning this, you just kind of need to be a bit more gentler because it is acetate, not stencil material. So that is the kit that I have put together with all of the beautiful CBS Coco Miller Studio Daydream collection. I had a heap of fun creating the pages, though it did take me a little while to get started. But if you are interested, I'll leave all my links below. I would prefer that you don't message me through YouTube because I can't find my inbox in YouTube. So, I'll leave links for everything else below. I hope that you've enjoyed my shares today. I will leave you with some close-ups of the layouts, I think. Maybe the kit. I haven't decided yet. But, yeah, if you are interested, shoot me a message. There is not a lot of kits available. But yeah, I hope that you enjoy, and I look forward to hearing from you soon and sharing some more layouts with you. Have a fantastic day.